George Mueller was born in Sherwood, Wisconsin in the USA on July 31, 1921. As a youth, he worked by selling magazines and newspapers, groceries, hardware, farm goods, and he also ran a popcorn stand. Following studies in chemistry and electronics at Lawrence College, Harvard, and MIT, and work with the Naval Research Electronics Warfare Company, he joined Marathon Corporation, working in process engineering and developing wax blends for new flexible packaging products, quickly becoming a group leader. He became plant manager of the Neenah, Canal, and Ashland tissue plants. George moved on to the Wisconsin Tissue Mills in 1968 as Vice President of Manufacturing. He would retire in 1988 as President of Wisconsin Tissue Mills and Group Vice President for Chesapeake, the parent organization, as well as member of the boards for both companies. Here we see George upon his election to the Chesapeake board. During his 20 years with the company, it grew from 250 employees to over 1,400, with production expanding from 13,000 tons to 185,000 tons per year. Here, a Yankee dryer, destined for Wisconsin tissue mills, arrives by barge through the Fox River lock system due to its size. The Yankee paper machine, installed in 1980, operated at 6,000 feet per minute. It received special recognition for being the fastest machine of the time.
And I remember the days when the river was facing discharges from municipalities and mills that made the river kind of a mess. And I was the first guy, Wisconsin Tissue, the little company, to come up with a wastewater treatment plant. The first company, which reduced suspended solids 99.8%.
Following the move of the Institute of Paper Chemistry to Atlanta, Georgia, George co-founded Integrated Paper Services and served as its chairman for 12 years. George and his wife Joanne were blessed with 4 children, Greg, Tim, Tobin, and Tony, pictured here for a family portrait. In 1992, George co-founded the Paper Industry International Hall of Fame, serving as its chairman until the end of 2005. He also led the startup of the Paper Discovery Center.
Every time I'm here, I'm stimulated just by the view of the river itself and what is happening to this building to enable us to provide teaching and educating and inspiring people on behalf of our industry.
Paper industry has been good to me.